Is Khalil Sediqi and welcome to another part of CorelDRAW. How to manage your project in CorelDRAW 2026. The most important part. We have three important tabs. We call Layer tab, and we call Properties, and Controlling the Page tab. So guys, take a look. Sometimes you need to create a shape, and now you need to manage this shape, how to make fill color for this one, how to control the stroke. First, go to view, make enhance, and now I need to make fill. There we have default plates right there. When you click directly, it will be fill, and when you hold Alt key on keyboard, you will change the color of the stroke like this. And now I need to change the size of a stroke. I need to change the color from solid to gradient. How to do this? Take a look. Go to Object. Go to click on Properties. There you have Alt plus Enter as the shortcut key. Click again. And now there you have the properties of the circle. Take a look, guys. Select the circle. And now there you have a lot of options. It means when you need to change the outline, select the color of the outline. And when you need to change the stroke size, there is a lot of stroke size. You can select the 10x, 20x, or pixels, 25 pixels. And there you can change the unit. You can change into millimeters, centimeters, and there is another type of the line. You can select the dash, dots. So guys, when you need to create, take a look. Select the pen tool from here. 1, 2, like this. Press skip. And now you can select the start and the end style. And there you can change the size like this. Okay guys, let's go to another part of the properties. There you have fill. Select the circle. It means you can change from the solid to gradient. You can change from gradient to pattern. You can change from pattern to texture. And there is a lot of the texture. You can select another type of the texture. When you need to control, there you have the toolbox. Select the toolbox, interactive fill, zoom out. There you can control the scale of the texture like this. Control and move the texture control to center of the circle. Change. Okay guys, we have another part of the properties we call transparency. In another graphic softwares, we call this opacity. It means when you select the transparency, you can control the opacity. There you have directly opacity. There you can control opacity by gradient, and you can change the gradient direction of the opacity like this. And the next, you can select the pattern opacity, the texture opacity, like this. Don't forget guys, you can apply this on the bitmap too. And what's next? Select effects. It means you can apply the effects. You can apply effects from there too. Go to effects menu right there. Click. You can apply effects from there too. And the next one, you can control the circle like this. And by tools, you must go to select the shape tool and select from this point. Make like a cut. Okay guys, the important part of the CorelDRAW you need to manage is properties. And now let's go to another part of the manage. There we have object. What's object? There I have two different object The first one is stroke, and the second one is circle. And now I need to control this small or these small circles. Let's go to object, turn off, object, turn on again. You can make shortcut for the object command too. So guys, when you select the object, there you have layers like a Photoshop. It means in page 1 you have 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. In one page you have 4 layers. If you need to create another page, now you have second page. In second page, it means you can create a lot of more objects like this. So guys, like a Photoshop, you can make hide, you can lock your layers, hold shift click multiple layers in one click. You can make hide in one click, you can make lock in one click. So guys, if you need to select, again, there you have delete. If you need to make or create another empty layers, there you have another empty or new layer. So guys, let's go to another important part, that is paste. Take a look guys. Sometimes you need to create book, but you can't manage your page without page tab. I have 3, 4 or 5 pages, but I need to manage these pages. You must go to object, you must select the page. You can apply shortcut for the page command too. And now there you have the page tab. It means when you select the page, directly you will go to that page. When you create a new page, just click on this icon, you can create a new page. And there is another way to create a new page. So if you need to delete, select the page and click on the delete icon from here. So guys, go back to page 1, and this was about how to manage your project. These 3 commands are very important. Don't forget, you can make apply here, the shortcuts. Thanks for watching.